This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. The security situation in the northeastern states has improved substantially as the number of insurgency incidents reduced by 74% last year in comparison to 2014. 89% reduction has been witnessed in civilian deaths and 60% in casualties of security forces in the year 2021. This was stated by the Minister of State for Home, Nityanand Rai, in a written reply in the Rajya Sabha yesterday. The Minister said over 6,000 cadres of various insurgent groups of northeastern states have surrendered since 2014 till the 15th of last month. A live demo session was held at the video conference hall of the Northeastern Council in Shillong yesterday by a team from Assam Electronics Development Corporation in the presence of dignitaries from various organizations and Secretary of Northeastern Council K. Moses Chalai, other senior officials of NEC. The program was held jointly by Northeastern Council, Composite Resource Centre Shillong and Amtron. The event was attended by Professor Prashant Jindal, Design Innovation Centre, University Institute of Engineering and Application, Technology, Chandigarh, and Sanjay Kumar Singh, General Manager, Mazagaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited. Amtron gave a brief presentation on the aims and objectives of the programs and initiatives taken by the Government of India for the welfare of the Divyang. While welcoming the audience, Chalai said, with the digital designing of prosthetics, the parts which otherwise is time-consuming to design, and with 3D printing, it would be precise. 3D printing is a part of 4:0 industries, and the Northeast should also catch up with the 4.0 industry, though there are limitations with normal industrialization in Northeastern region, he added further. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh told the State Assembly that there are 2,743 revenue villages in the state. Replying to a starred question raised by an opposition MLA during question hour of the ongoing 9th day of the second session of the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly, N. Biren Singh appealed to all bureaucrats to strictly implement the rule of law while giving recognition for the new revenue villages. The Chief Minister said that 55 applications seeking for village recognition were received by the Revenue Department. He also mentioned that land, number of households, approval from Forest Department and District Council recommendation, hill areas are the criteria for recognition of the revenue village. During the question hour, the State Tribal Affairs Hills Minister Letpao Haukip informed the House that the Union Ministry for Development of Tribal Areas had sanctioned over 407.5 crore rupees from 2012 till date. He also elaborated the headwise sanctioned amount along with its utilized fund position. The number of Lok Sabha from Meghalaya Agatha Sangma yesterday brought to the notice of the lower house the dearth of basic amenities in the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya in Kendrikona in southwest Garo Hills and sought immediate remedial measures. Sangma informed the House how the school is reeling under the lack of facilities, some of which include power and infrastructure. She also accentuated the need to replace leaking water pipelines inside the campus and provide a playground for the school. Meghalaya Home Minister Lakshman Rumboi has said that the state police is working to ascertain all the details of the Bernard Marak case. The Home Minister said that the police will not harass innocent citizens while carrying out their job of reaching a logical conclusion to the matter. He also hinted that Tura Superintendent of Police will not be transferred as he is investigating the case. The West Garo Hills Police last month raided the property of Bernard Marak and detained 72 boys and girls. The police later also recovered arms and ammunition from the property. Meghalaya Home Minister Lakshman Rumboi yesterday said that the problem of drug abuse is a national agenda and Meghalaya government is going all out to erase the menace. He said that the village councils, societies and NGOs are coming forward to share their inputs with the police to eradicate the menace, and the government is working in synergy with the society to address the concern. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.